But anyways, speaking of gold, let's get back to the planet question. So,
Sure.
all right, we got there on Mars. Do we have resources there, just like on Earth, that are buried underneath while we're digging that we're going to eventually find? Or is Mars like more scarce than Earth?
Evidence so far indicates that Mars is probably more scarce in terms of mineral wealth than Earth. But what it does have that is valuable is a much shallower gravity well, which is to say that the pull of gravity on the surface of Mars is what is this, 38%, I think, of Earth's pull of gravity. So you would feel about twice or about half your regular weight, a little less than half your weight. You could probably jump to the roof of your house. Well, depending what kind of house you're living in. I'm in a bungalow, so I could jump to the roof of my you could probably lift a small car, that kind of thing. But what that does economically is it allows you to launch rockets from the surface of Mars without needing to build these enormous boosters. And by the way, another development since we were last talking about SpaceX is that in Texas, they have stacked the first of their super heavy rocket boosters. These are the boosters that are required to get Starship into orbit from the surface of Earth, but they're not required anywhere else. So that's an expense that's unique to Earth.
So when we get to Mars, getting back will actually be easier?
Much easier, yeah. And not only getting back to Earth, but getting out to the asteroid belt and setting up
awesome.
setting up mining operations. Like I say, Mars is mineralogically poor, but that is in comparison to Earth. You can still, mine metals and stuff from the surface of Mars. The whole reason Mars is the color it is because of rusted iron oxide covering the planet. So you could.
I heard that pictures from NASA where it's completely red are a bit.
Yeah, they're a little exaggerated. It's kind of a butterscotch color in reality. I mean, you can see it at night when it's up in the sky. I don't think it is at the moment, but I find it, because I'm a hobbyist astronomer, to put it generously, I find that my perception of the color of stars and planets in the night sky is quite well honed. Most people just still see a white dot when I point out Mars to them, but I see it as this butterscotch color.
Yeah.
And I can look at Jupiter and go, oh, that's Jupiter, because I know the color of it.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the full version, go to the Uncle Gold Podcast YouTube channel or watch the next clip.